Download the new and improved Eyewitness News, your Weather Authority app today. Now, from your Weather Authority, Chief Meteorologist Wayne Hart.
Now tracking scattered strong to severe storms now just north of the tri-state, beginning to move in, and they're going to drop through in a scattered fashion this evening from north to south. Possibly severe. Damaging wind and hail will be the main concern. So let's get to live first warning Doppler radar. And that cell that was in Wayne County, Illinois, did dry up. And now what will likely be the main two lines are coming in from the north right now. We have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect up in Robinson, Illinois. That cell is moving for northern Knox County in that general direction. So we may have our first warning of the day for northern Knox here shortly. You can see that cell is now just south of Robinson. Some weaker activity farther off here to the west, but these could get a little stronger here before sunset and then gradually weaken later this evening. But you can see it's not a solid line. So some areas may not get any rain at all. Others could get a severe thunderstorms. So we'll continue to keep an eye on that. Our Thule Injury Law Skycam this evening looking out of downtown Evansville towards the east side with a mix of sun and clouds right now. We're still a couple of hours away in terms of anything getting down here into the metro, so you can get out and enjoy your late to Friday afternoon. It's a little warm and sticky out there, though. 89 with a dew point of 70, but it is windy. You get in the shade, it's not too bad. A west-southwest breeze blowing at 18 miles per hour. Temperatures are generally 85 to 90 right now, including 87 in Henderson, Owensboro, 90 at Madisonville, and it's going to be a very warm and humid evening away from any storms. We'll just fall through the 80s, and the cold front comes on through and knocks us down to around 70 by daybreak tomorrow morning. About two lines of storms moving in from the north right now. They've been just hammering central Indiana, including the Indy area, now dropping towards Lexington, Cincinnati, and Louisville. That's where you got the greater threat. The farther west you go, the more this line breaks up, and that's what we're going to be dealing with, that part of the line that is not quite as solid. But the Storm Prediction Center is keeping a marginal to slight risk for severe weather going this evening, that more significant slight risk for all of our Indiana counties, those in Illinois along the Wabash, and those along the Ohio River in Kentucky to the east of Henderson. The greatest threat is up here, Indy to Cincinnati. Then the threat gets lower the farther southwest you go. So Future Tracker doesn't get too excited with that line. It fills it in a little bit as it pushes it through the metro, probably Evansville in the 8 to 8:30 time frame, and then pushes out of our southern counties by midnight. Then we feel the drop in the humidity for tomorrow. A partly cloudy day, a little cooler, a little less humid. High temperatures will be in the mid to upper 80s, so a nice Saturday night. Under mainly clear skies will fall into the 70s during the evening hours. By daybreak Sunday morning, we'll be into the low to mid 60s. And on Sunday, it looks like a partly cloudy day, about 85 to 90 for the high. We're going to keep the humidity at bay for one more day. Late in the afternoon and evening, the guidance is indicating a few scattered showers and thunder showers may try to develop somewhere here across the northern fringe of the tri-state. This is 8 o'clock Sunday evening, and then they might drop off to the east-southeast on Sunday night, clearing the area by daybreak on Monday, which will turn breezy, hot, and humid. Highs up around 90. With maybe a few spotty afternoon thunder showers. So we'll watch at least a few scattered storms move in from the north this evening, possibly severe. Otherwise, very warm and humid with temperatures falling through the 80s. Partly cloudy overnight, upper 60s to around 70. Partly cloudy and less humid tomorrow, mid to upper 80s for the high. And then I'm going to take the humidity back off on Sunday. Should still be tolerable for one more day, 87. May have to put a chance into our northern counties for Sunday night. And then next week, we may be staring at our first heat wave of the season with highs throughout the week, 90 to 95. The humidity will be building, and our better chances for scattered storms will be kicking in next Thursday and Friday. But again, a severe storm possible this evening. Others may get nothing at all, but we'll be watching this line as it drops in from the north and update the situation on the 7 side at 6:30.
Yeah, did we have a heat wave last month?
We had 4 days, didn't quite go 5. It was 4 hot ones, but didn't quite make it 5 in a row.
It was long enough.
Yeah,
Okay, all right.
yeah, one day is long enough, you're right.
All right, thank you, Wayne.